Hi viewers, welcome once again to Nai Chef. Today we are going to prepare a very healthy as well as very tasty evening snack, especially for all age groups. So today we are going to prepare corn vada. As you know, corn is very rich in fiber content. If you give for kids as such, they won't eat. So if we convert into a snack and give to them, they will surely enjoy, as well as all the fiber content will reach their body. So let's start our preparation. Before that, we can check out the ingredients needed for this preparation. The first ingredient is corn. See, I have taken like this. This is not boiled corn, this is fresh corn. Okay, this is 2 medium sized onion finely chopped, green chilli finely chopped, this you can take according to your taste, curry leaf 2 stems, coriander leaf, this is rice powder. I have taken 1 tablespoon of rice powder. This is salt to taste, oil to fry, water as required. So these are the ingredients. Let's start our preparation. So now what you have to do is you have to take a mixer jar like this, transfer this corn, and without adding water make it into a paste. If it is fresh, it will become paste, otherwise grind it into a powder. See, I have grind it into, this is the texture. If it is fresh corn, it will have more water content, otherwise it have water content. See, it have water content but not that much. So at this stage you have to add salt to taste and just give a blend. So after adding salt, I have given just a blend. See, you can see it is finely powdered. Don't add water. Okay, now I will transfer this into a bowl. See, now I have transferred this into a bowl. Now add chopped onion, green chilli, curry leaf, coriander leaf. I have put curry leaf as such because if you are giving for kids, they don't like that. So I have put as such just to give a smell. If you need ginger, you can add ginger too. Then I have kept 1 tablespoon of rice powder, that too I am adding. Now give a mix. Mix all this and make it like a vada batter. See, I have mixed all the ingredients. To this add 1 tablespoon of water. 1 to 2 tablespoon. Okay, don't add too much, just mix it then add it, because I didn't add water at the beginning. The reason is if we add onion, there will be some water content in the onion. So after that, after mixing all the things, you have to add water. So I am giving a blend. See, now I have mixed all the things. I have poured 1 more teaspoon of water. If it is fresh corn, we don't want to pour water because the water content will be there. Because my corn is not that much fresh, I have added little water. So according to the freshness of your corn, you should add water. Okay, it may be more than 2 tablespoons also. Okay, so just see the water content, it should be like this. Okay, if you make balls like this, it should be like this. Till that you have to add water. Okay, this is the consistency. So we can go to the next step. See, I have kept a pan and poured oil. My oil got heated. Now what you have to do is you have to make a vadas out of this. Just to make the shape, put it inside. Suppose if it is breaking, just add little more water, okay, to this batter. See, our cone vada is ready. It looks like a masala vada, right? So it's very tasty. It is more tastier than masala vada. So please try this. Also, the one thing you have to notice, you have to keep in medium flame and cook it, because otherwise the upper part will be crisp and inside it will not cook well. So please keep it in medium flame and cook it, okay? So now I am transferring this into a plate. So our tasty corn vada is ready. Not only tasty, it's very healthy. As I said before, corn is very rich in fiber content, so it's a very healthy snack. So please please all of you try this recipe, and please post your comments in the comment box. If you are new viewer to Nair Chef, please do subscribe my channel and support my channel by sharing with your friends and family members. See you again with a new and a variety recipe in the forthcoming videos. Till then, it's bye.